Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to find the routing number on TD Bank app. First, open your web browser and search for Wise.com. On the website, you can find the TD Bank routing number. In the US, banks and financial institutions use routing numbers, which are 9-digit codes to identify themselves. These numbers can also be referred to as routing transit numbers, ABA routing numbers, or RTNs. Click on the option that says TD Bank Checking and Savings Accounts Routing Number to find the different routing numbers. You will see a list that includes the state and the corresponding TD Bank routing number. For example, if you're looking for the TD Bank routing number for Maryland, you will find it on the list. Scroll down on the page to find information about different types of wire transfers, including domestic and international transfers to TD Bank accounts in the USA. You can also find the SWIFT code if you need. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.